Have you ever considered the notion that every thought, word, and intent of man could be immortalized in an ethereal record? A notion that's not new, but ancient, deeply embedded in various spiritual and philosophical traditions. This is the concept of the Akasha, or the Book of Remembrance. The Akasha, as described by Oriental scholars, refers to the finer ethers, a kind of sensitized film that captures every sound, color, word, and even thought. It's a concept that, while not scientifically verifiable, is no longer questioned by a great number of critical scholars. It falls within the realm of spiritual postulates, akin to the existence of God and life after death. The Book of Remembrance is not a book in the conventional sense, but a metaphorical record of all that is, was, and will be. Many sacred writings refer to these universal record ethers as books. For instance, in the Book of Malachi, it is said that a book of remembrance was written before the Lord for those who feared him and thought upon his name. Similarly, in Revelation, John speaks of the dead being judged out of things written in books, one of which is the Book of Life. In this metaphysical book of remembrance, nothing is lost or forgotten. All the lessons taught and experiences lived by each soul are recorded. It's a profound idea, suggesting that our actions, our words, and even our thoughts echo into eternity. But how exactly are these records made? This brings us to the concept of the recording messenger. While thoughts and words imprint themselves onto the pages of the Book of Remembrance, an agent is needed to record events. This agent is the recording messenger, referred to by many sacred writers. Every soul born into this world is accompanied by a messenger, a divine life companion sent by our heavenly Creator. This messenger is tasked with illuminating the way and recording every event. The clearness with which these holy records are made in the Book of Remembrance can be attributed to these messengers. To summarize, the Book of Remembrance and the recording messenger present a fascinating spiritual concept. They suggest that every word, thought, and intent of man is recorded in an ethereal universal record. This record is maintained by a divine messenger sent to accompany each soul on their earthly journey. These concepts challenge us to consider the weight of our thoughts, words, and actions. They propose that every moment has a lasting imprint, not only on our lives, but on the fabric of the universe itself. They remind us that we are not fleeting, temporary beings, but part of a grand, eternal tapestry. The Book of Remembrance and the recording messenger serve as profound reminders of our spiritual significance and the enduring impact of our existence. Whether or not you believe in these concepts, they certainly offer a thought-provoking perspective on life and our place in the cosmos.